NCERT, Maths Class 6, Chapter 1, Topic 1.5, Roman numerals. We are going to learn Roman numerals, symbols and their equivalent numbers. So, first Roman numeral is I, which is equal to 1. V, which is equal to 5, X, which is equal to 10, L, which is equal to 50, C, which is equal to 100, D, which is equal to 500, and M, which is equal to 1000. So these are our symbols of Roman numerals. Now, prior to making the numbers, we go to the rules. Rule A: if a symbol is repeated, its value is added. That is, I and I equal to 2. Then when I is written 3 times, I and I equal to 3. X and X 2 times, which is equal to 20, 10 plus 10, 20. X equal to 10 plus 10 plus 10 equal to 30. C repeated 2 times, which is equal to 200, 100 plus 100. And C repeated 3 times equal to 300, which is 100 plus 100 plus 100 equal to 300. B, rule B: no symbol is repeated for more than 3 times. So you cannot repeat either I or X or C or any other symbol for more than 3 times. And symbols V, which is equal to 5, L, which is equal to 50, and D, which is equal to 500, are never repeated. These cannot be repeated. They are used only once. Rule C: if a symbol of smaller value is written right to symbol of greater value, its value is added to the value of greater value, symbol of greater value. That is, VI equal to 5 plus 1 equal to 6. VII equal to 5 plus 1 equal to 7. VIII equal to 5 plus 1 equal to 8. XI equal to 10 plus 1 equal to 11. XII equal to 10 plus 1 equal to 12. And XIII equal to 10 plus 1 equal to 13. LX, which is equal to 50 plus 10 equal to 60, etc. Rule D: if a symbol of smaller value is written to left of symbol of greater value, its value is subtracted from the value of symbol of greater symbol. That is, I is 1 and V is 5. So this is written as 5 minus 1. When I is on the left of V, we subtract value of I from the value of V, which is 5 minus 1 equal to 4. IX. I is written to the left of X. I is smaller than X. That's why it is 10 minus 1 equal to 9. XL. X is smaller than L. So we subtract value of x from value of L. 50 minus 10 equal to 40. XC, which is equal to, value of x is 10, value of C is 100. So 100 minus 10 equal to 90. CD, C is 100 and D is 500. So value of C is subtracted from value of D. 500 minus 100 equal to 400. CM, C is value of 100 and M is 1000. So C is smaller than M. So we subtract from value of M minus value of C, which is 1000 minus 100 equal to 900. This way we use the rule of subtraction. When the symbol comes to left of a symbol of greater value, then we subtract like this. Now we go to next rule, rule E. The symbol V, L and D are never written to the left of symbol of greater value. It means that V, L and D are never subtracted. Rule F. If bar is put on any symbol, it means that the number is multiplied by 1000. That is, if we put bar on II, then this is equal to 2 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 2000. If III, which is equal to 3, then we put bar on it, then this is equal to 3 multiplied by 1000 equal to 3000. If we put bar on V, and V is 5, so 5 multiplied by 1000 equal to 5000. If bar is put on X, it means that X has the value 10, then 10 multiplied by 1000 equal to 10,000. L, bar is put on L, L is 50, so 50 multiplied by 1000 equal to 50,000. Bar is put on C, which is equal to 100, as C has the value 100, so 100 multiplied by 1000 equal to 1 lakh. And this way we use the bar for making the thousands. Now we are using the complete numbers using the above rules. So from we make a chart like this: 1 I, 2 II, 3 I 3 times, 4 IV, 5 minus 1 is 4, 5 is V, 6 is VI, 7 is VII, 8 VII 3 times, 9 IX, as I is 1 and X is 10, 10 minus 1 is 9. So this way we use from 1 to 9. Now we go to 10. 10 is x. Now we go to 20, xx. 30, xxx. 40 is, you cannot write 4 times x as no symbol is repeated for more than 3 times. So 40 is XL, which is 50 minus 10 is XL. 50 is L. 60 is LX. 70 is LXX. 50 plus 10 plus 10, 70. 80 is LXXX 3 times. And 90 is XC. So 10 and 100. So 100 minus 10 is 90. Now we go to 100. 100 is C. Now we go to 200. 200 is CC, written 2 times. 300. C 3 times. 400 is C D. D is 500 and C is 100. So 500 minus 100 is 400. 500 is D. 600 DC. D 500 plus 100 is 600. 700 DCC. 2 times C is 200 plus D is 500. So it's 700. 800 is written DCCC. D 500 plus 3 times C is 300. So it's 800. 900. So C M. M is 1000 and C is 100 and C is on the left of M. That's why 100 is subtracted from 1000. So 1000 minus 100 is 900. And then M already we have discussed about that, M equal to 1000. Now this is our chart, and if we have understood this chart, then we can write any number into Roman numerals. So we are using this chart, and we are going to write few numbers to learn how to make the numbers into Roman numerals. Let's do 68. 68 is equal to 50 plus 10 plus 8. This is equal to 50 is, we know from 50 is L. So we write L. Plus 10 is X. This has become 60. Now 8. We go here. We find this 8 is VII. So LXVII is our 68. We go to number 98. So we write 90 plus 8. From the chart we get, go to 90. 90 is XC and 8 is VII. V and 3 times I. I. So this is 98. Now we write 43. From the chart we go to 40, which is XL. First we write 40 plus 3 and 40 is XL and 3 is 3 times I. Now we go to one 3-digit number, which is 173. So this is 100 plus 70 plus 3. So 100 is C. 70 we go to the chart and we say it is LXX. LXX. And 3 is 3 times, which is 3 is 3 times I. So this is our 173. 599. 500 plus 90 plus 9. 500 is D. 90 from the chart is XC. And 9 from the chart is IX. This is our 599. We go to 194. 100 plus 90 plus 4. 100 is C. 90 is XC and 4 is IV. So this is 194. 799. 700 plus 90 plus 9. 700 is DCC. 90 is XC and 9 is IX. Now we go to 4-digit numbers. 1567, 1567, which is written as 1000 plus 500 plus 60 plus 7. 1000 is M. 500 is D. 60 is LX. 50 plus 10 LX. And 7 is VII. Now we go to more than 1000. 2159. 2000 plus 100 . plus 50 plus 9. Now 2000. 2000 we write 2i, which is for 2, and we put bar on it. So it is 2 multiplied by 1000, it becomes 2000. Then C for 100, then L for 50, then 9 is IX. So this is our 2159. Now we go to 5893. This we can write as 5000 plus 800 plus 90 plus 3. We write as V and then bar on it. 5 multiplied by 1000 is 5000. 800 is DCCC. 500 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100 is DCC. Then 90 is XC. 100 minus 10. And 3 is 3 times I. So this is our 5893. We go to now a 5-digit number, 12,486. We write this as 12,000 plus 400 plus 80 plus 6. Now we write first 12 and put bar on it. So this is 12 multiplied by 1000 is 12,000. Now 400 is CD, which is 500 minus 100 is 400. Now 80 is 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, LXXX, which is 80. Now 6 is VI. So this is our 12,486. Now we write a bigger number, 53,123. So 53,000 plus 100 plus 20 plus 3. Now first we write 53. 53 is L I, which is 50 plus 1 is 53, and put bar on it. So it becomes 53,000. Now 100 is C, then 23 is X is 20, and I is 3. So this is our 53,123. So this we have learned from numerals to numbers to Roman numerals. Now let's do some Roman numerals to numbers. DC CL V I. Now let's learn about it. T is 500 plus C is 100 plus L is 50 plus V is 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. As I comes 3 times, so 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is equal to 500 plus 100, 600, 650. Then this is 55, 56, 57, 58. This is 658. Now we go to CD, XC, IV. CD. C is 100 and D is 500. Here we see that 100 is smaller number than 500, or that is smaller symbol is on the left of a greater symbol. So we learn about it. Then we go to X is 10 and C is 100. Again here we get the smaller number to the left of a greater number. Then 1, I is 1 and then V is 5. So here we just learn how to do it. This is 500 minus 100 is 400. This is 100 minus 10 is 90. And this is 5 minus 1 is 4. So this is 400 plus 90 plus 4. This is equal to 494. So this will make your understanding better for how to convert the Roman numerals into numbers. Now we go to one more question. CM XC IX. C is 100, M is 1000. Now we find that 100 is smaller number which is on the left of a larger number 1000. So this is to be subtracted. Now XC, X is 10 and C is 100. Again here X is a smaller symbol than C. So 10 is to be subtracted from 100. Then IX. Again here I is 1 and X is 10. So this is to be subtracted. 1 is to be subtracted from 10. Now 100 is subtracted from 1000. This gives us 900. Then 10 is subtracted from 100. This gives us 90. And 1 is subtracted from 10. This gives us 9. So This is equal to 900 plus 90 plus 9, which is 999. We go to one more question. XCIX. XCIX. X is 10, C is 100. Again, 10 is smaller than 100. So 10 is to be subtracted from 100. Then I is 1, X is 10. So again 1 is subtracted from 10. So what we get, 100 minus 10 is 90. And 1 minus 10 is 9. This gives us 90 plus 9 is 99. This way we can convert the Roman numerals into our numbers. I think this Roman numerals is quite enough to learn how to make numbers into Roman numerals and Roman numerals into our numbers.